Okay, we have a baby rib here, and usually the Asian like to make sweet, so I'm gonna try something different. So I'm gonna just put it in the oven with salt and pepper. See what the outcome is with the barbecue oven. So we're gonna see how it's gonna be done. I've never done it before, but this first time I'm doing it with this way. So we see how is it. So we put black pepper and salt only. Usually on the Asian restaurant, they put this is in sweet kind of sauce. I'm gonna change that. So we're just gonna put salt and pepper on it. See what it tastes like. So let's see how that is. This is the baby back rib. We have a oven here for Chinese barbecue. We're gonna use it for something else. Just add the salt and see how it goes. Okay, this is marinated. I'm gonna let it marinate for a few minutes, and we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna see it here. Okay. So put into the oven, and we're gonna close the door for maybe about 50 minutes. So so you'll see it. So I'm gonna check it, see if the barbecue pork is ready yet. So right now you can see it in there. I'm gonna check it. I think it's almost time. So we'll give them another 10 more minutes. So the spare rib is done differently, but it tastes pretty good. So it's not greasy like normal how you do it the Chinese barbecue, So I tried it first time, I tasted it, tastes good. So next time I'm probably gonna cook the spare rib like this, hanging on the oven and cook it with black pepper and salt. Very simple, very delicious. So I hope you enjoy it. This is Chef Jay, and today I also make the duck two together, so you will see both of them. So enjoy. Happy holiday, huh? Have a nice Thanksgiving and a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you. This is from Chef Jay. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.